The population of visually impaired people in India currently stands at over 12 million. Experts believe that almost 80% of blindness is needless and avoidable if the right care is made available to the patient at the right time. Trinetra is a portable, non-invasive, low-cost device that helps in pre-screening of 5 major eye diseases: cataract, diabetic retina, glaucoma tools and cornea issues. It also provides accurate refractive index measurements. The inbuilt auto-detection software in the product generates a pre-screening report on the problem detected within less than 5 minutes of screening.
It's time to invite our second contestant on stage. Please put your hands together for Mr. K. Chandrasekhar of Trinetra.
My one question actually, or maybe observation is, you've made it so simple to operate, and you've made it so simple to analyze what lies behind the eye, which is great, as we call in our language, the back end. But does the front end, which is the machine, does it still scare people, or does it intimidate a person who's not ever been used to having a light flash in his eye?
Every villager or rural man has a perception of how eye equipment looks like. So that's specifically the reason why we made it like that. And what we also did was, since it has to be portable and easily carryable, we made it in such a way that, it can be just packed in 2 suitcases and just carried wherever, and it just takes about 5 minutes to assemble.
Have you looked at a global market for this going forward? And if yes, how are you planning to do that?
We will not only be actually selling this product in Africa or Latin America or Southeast Asia, which have equal problems like India, but also, because of the data center, if they don't have experts, let's say glaucoma experts or retina experts, they will be able to send these images to experts here in India, and they can grade and send it back using this data center as an exchange.
Casey, talk to us about what it takes to train a person to use the equipment, because again, very exciting to see that it can go into rural villages, and your presentation speaks about that it is very easy to use and it is easy to train, but talk to us a little about
Exactly. The way in which we have designed the whole thing is a minimally trained technician. Let's say somebody from the village who's a 12th standard pass. We can train them in less than 3 days to actually take a good image. Okay. Second, the way in which it is constructed is, you have a screen where we basically treat them the first day how to run about. And then we have also built in very recently an auto-focus mechanism where he moves forward, the system identifies which is the best point to take the image, and when he brings it backward, it clicks automatically. So he doesn't have to do anything. Now, apart from that, we are also working with several institutions who can create these social entrepreneurs. For example, we are working with KMC Manipal, who have created a 2-week course on this, where they not only help them to use this equipment, also to troubleshoot, how to use basic computers, how to, basic accounts, how do you actually, also basic anatomy, what is retina, what is cornea, basic things, so that they can actually talk. And more importantly is ethics. They should not scare the patient, as he said, that, okay, you have a problem. So they should be able to communicate to them the right way. So we have already worked out with at least 4 institutions today to run several programs, apart from the real training on the equipment, which is hardly a couple of days of training.
So what you're saying is that Trinetra is going to create an army of entrepreneurs.
Exactly.
Who will have one of your machines, who will go and sit in remote corners, with the minimal training, create a livelihood for themselves.
Yes.
Create an ability to image, upload the image to the cloud, get the right advice, and be able to advise the customer in a manner. I see you brought out $1 and $3 to $5 as a comparison, which means in 30 to 40 rupees, somebody can know he needs help or does not need help.
Exactly. Yes.
Fascinating.
I think, why don't you consider that if you appointed, including our company, also we are introducing such a tab recently also, that if you're considering through that a certain company like Samsung or other company, doesn't matter, but expand, if you utilize this tab I think it's good for your expansion, your business, like remote area, easy to moving, and data transmission is transferring is very easy. Carrying this tap, if you utilize the tap system. So, are you considering this one?
We've already discussing on that very seriously.
Yeah.
So it should be part of the apps which is available. So people download, they can use it as a status symbol if they want, at the same time as a utility if they want.
Thank you so much, Casey.
Thank you.
Presenting us all.